Hi, I am Putu. I am the executive chef of Arkana Hub Mandala Eco-Resort. My journey started at Senggigi back then, where I built my foundation at culinary field, and I grew, and then I continue at Hollywood Bali, play Hollywood Bali, followed by a healthy sport in Kuta Bali, where I developed deeper understanding of the balance between the wellness, good food, and the taste. After that, I spent around Indonesia at the Pinisi private cruise. It's about 3 or 4 years from Sabang to Merauke and around Asia. And then I go to 3 different beautiful Gili Island, Trawangan, Meno, and Air. And I'm ended here at Mandala now. What brought me to Arkana Hub at Mandala Eco-Resort is my passion to nature. I enjoy working at environment and close to the nature and constantly evolving where I can continue grow while creating a meaningful dining experience for everybody. As we prepare for opening, my main focus is on the building efficiency, both the kitchen and the team. Being in a far away location, remote location, is certainly comes with my own challenge. So we need to organize everything carefully, stay organized, and think ahead what we should do for everything. I also place a strong emphasis on communication and sharing knowledge with the team, so everyone understands their role and they can support each other. At the same time, we train them how to adapt, how to think quick, how to solve the problem, and stay consistent with under pressure. With that right preparation and teamwork, and also the mindset, we aim to ensure the operation runs smoothly from the very first day we welcome our guests. I would like to describe experience at Arkana Hub as a blend of good food and a great atmosphere, where everything comes together in very natural way. It's not just a dining, it's about slowing down, taking the surrounding and being present at the moment. That's what we're looking for the guests. Our cuisine is inspired by Mediterranean flavor combined with a local surrounded ingredient. And of course, Indonesian food is our mission. So each dish feels fresh, vibrant, and connected with the place. We try to keep as simple as we can and let the ingredients speak for the dishes. We hope the guests remember the feeling, the warmth of the space, the beautiful of the being close to the nature, and the easy just enjoying a good food without overthinking it. Something calm, something genuine, and something they will remember and want to return to. Being surrounded by nature gives us a strong direction to how we approach the menu. We focus on using ingredients that are available around us, working closely with the local community, and searching from the traditional market, so we serve is always connected to the place and the ingredient is always fresh. We also pay attention to a session by understanding what ingredients are available on the area. We can create special dishes from what is available on nature, relief and uniquely to the moment. The approach allow us to be sustainable while also give the guests something authentic, not just a flavor, but the story behind the ingredient. Every dishes come with a reflection of nature and community around Mandala. At Arkana Hub, we don't see dining just a moment where the guests come, eat, and leave. We see all as a part of a large experience. Our goal is to create something more than personal. It's more memorable, something guests can truly connect with. We offer opportunity to the guests to engage beyond the table, such as eco-activity, visiting the garden, even experience rice planting or join cooking class with us with the surrounded ingredient. We can walk directly to the source of the ingredient from our surrounding. It allows them to understand where the food comes from, the part of the process. By creating this experience, dining becomes more meaningful. It's not just about a meal, it's about story, it's about connection, it's about memory they take with them after they leave the Arkana Hub. In the long run, wow is the word that I hope to hear from all our guests. It could be calm to being close to the nature. The moment, the share, the experience of being part of something, whatever is cooking, harvesting, or simply enjoying the atmosphere. We want everybody to feel Arkana Hub not just a restaurant. It's a place where the guests can slow down, reconnect, and live with the memories that feel personal and meaningful. Terima kasih, sampai jumpa di Arkana.